is a big day at 10 York Street. This brand new downtown Toronto condo is welcoming its first residents inside for the first time. When they come in the front door of this prime real estate, they'll encounter the most advanced smart community technology in the entire country. That's because developer Tridel is partnering with Smart One Solutions, a company that's bringing top-notch tech over from South Korea and giving it a North American interface. From the front door to the concierge desk to right inside the apartment, this building is wired up with digital technology. Come along with me, Brian Jackson, as the president of Smart One Technologies, Ted Malucci, gives us a sneak peek of the smartest condo building in the country. We'll start right at the front door. Here, you might expect to see a big apartment directory. Not so at 10 York.
The standard in North America up until this point is to put in these massive kiosks where people would walk into a building, and they were expensive, they were big from a design perspective. And this is what they're using in Korea, which is a slimmed down design, has all the functionality of the other one, but because of the design and the cost factor of them, there's 8 of them in the building. So now what it's allowing a resident to do is actually control more entrances on their own.
These wall pads not only connect residents through wall panels in their apartments, but through their mobile devices as well. When someone's buzzing to come up, they can look through the camera and see who it is. If they want, they can snap a photo. If you're not home and you miss the buzz, a photo is taken automatically so you can see who you missed. All of these wall pads are run on Android OS. They're connected to a local server in the building, and a cloud service manages the whole experience. Smart One has designed it all in such a way that if one section is down, the other segments still operate. After all, having access to your front door is pretty important.
In North America, everyone in smart home thinks about, this is my home, this is my front door. In this building, 700 people are looking at the same camera. 700 people are controlling the same entrance.
Walking over to the concierge desk, we get a look at how this smart technology is experienced by building staff. Security patrols have a view of the building's cameras right from their desk phone. They can also see a record of emergency calls that were made. In this building, the technology is mostly used for security applications, but Smart One Solutions sees assisted living possibilities as well. For example, it's working with the University of Waterloo on a pilot test for a fall detector in the residence.
Now extend that to think that it's your parent living in the home, and they let you pair your phone to their suite. You can now see that their smoke alarm went off. You can see that they fell. You're able to interact with them and actually monitor them remotely just using this existing platform.
Let's head up the elevator to check out the residences. Just like in a hotel, there's no need for traditional keys at 10 York. Fobs can be issued that open just one door, or an entire floor, or even an entire building. If a fob gets lost or is no longer necessary, the property manager can simply delete it from the system, so there's no security risk. Here, residents can even use their smartphones as fobs.
And the idea being that you've got groceries in your hand, I literally can just push the lock with my butt and it'll open.
Inside the apartment, this wall panel serves as the control center for everything in the apartment. It's the thermostat, it's the alarm system, it buzzes people up into the building, and because this system is designed to expand, there's even more possibilities in the future.
That's what's unique about this. What's unique about this is the fact it's all done in one place. So you can go and buy a doorbell app, you can go and get a thermostat app, but you can't get it all in one place the way that we have it here or here. And then what's also important in this, it becomes extensible. So this device is actually an extension of the network. This device can speak Zigbee or Z-Wave or Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. We can connect anything we want to it.
That means that all sorts of smart living solutions are possible. Imagine organizing a grocery delivery service with a system like this. Residents could punch in their orders in the morning and see those items delivered right to their fridge by the time they got home from work. But I'm just dreaming here. Still, seeing a building like 10 York gets you dreaming about living in the future. The building is so wired that even the exercise equipment is hardwired to the network. Of course, there's also Wi-Fi available throughout the building. It's a top-of-the-line network, all supported on a commercial-grade fiber infrastructure.
There's a central data model that's sitting on top of this whole physical network model that you see.
One source of the truth for everybody.
One source of the truth, and that's why you can create integrated services. Our system knows where all the units are, it knows everything everybody owns, and it knows everybody who lives there. And that sits on the back of this whole physical communication structure that we've talked about.
I know what you're thinking. What if the power goes out? Well, they've really thought of everything. Down here in the server room, you can find an uninterrupted power supply connected to a backup generator. Plus, there's equipment to boost cellular signals throughout the building to avoid low bars.
There's the building core. So these are the Commax servers. You can see the Commax names on them. So those are the two core main, and this is a backup. And there's the two Cisco core switches. So that fiber, the yellow fiber there, is running all the way up through the building, connecting all the edge switches. This is the security system now, and you can see this, the patch panels. This is connecting and bringing all the cameras together. So now everything is converged into this backbone.
For now, 10 York is a unique building, but you get the sense that the word condo amenities is about to take on a whole new meaning. For IT World Canada, I'm Brian Jackson. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tours. Thanks for watching.